partnership.
Alkaline show is like a 50-50 thing. You see, Mr. Alkaline have a pull theme part too.
So a few moments later.
It was, but don't get it wrong, you know. Don't get it wrong. It will sell, you know.
One eternity later.
Right now, Entourage, big man, big Joe. When you see on the screen now, it should have in a better place than that. Me not lie. From December that they pan sale.
2,000 years later.
So nobody now wait till the last minute for buying a ticket.
If this year, so by the end of the month, yeah.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
That's why I love Cartel now. Cartel not afraid for work. Cartel not afraid for show, promote. Cartel not afraid for
you feel like him alone about that show?
Some of their entertain we are promoting things.
Here I know.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
And the part of me I get to know Mr. Gaza because me go for Alkaline page. I don't know me like Alkaline already.
You remove your pussy wall and come down.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
You don't know Media Fox, you know. People, right, I've been waiting for this day. People, me prepare for that day because me know this I got happen from last year when Alkaline booked for the Barclays show. I was waiting for this day. Me make sure prepare every file because me know how the Gaza man them stay. Me have all of my pictures, them everything ready for that day. You know when you know say something gonna happen and you prepare for the day. Yeah man, you prepare for the day. Because you know say something gonna go down. See? So people, want to know here. So you know say Alkaline are in a Barclays, right? March 21st. So you know what? Them run out. But people, me go play the clip and make you know hear what go on. You know have to hear this.
Oh, you know why me determined for ask you though? Because
it was, but don't get it wrong, you know. Don't get it wrong.
People, so basically them pull up Alkaline show. Chat a bag of things, just listen.
It will sell, you know.
But no, I say no, but it's just the fact that them say. Just the fact that them say it's sold out. But then why? But then, me know, but then me hear you make a speech the other day.
People, I don't know where them Gaza people are. Where them get them information from. Me don't know when them talk about solo, but you know, them a try pull a card. You see me? Yeah.
I think of the most perfect speech. You say when Mama a fly go link Cartel, she do more promotion for a flight than she do with this. I'm not lying. Also I try to figure out why.
Promotion
because when you look on Alkaline, yeah, but when you go on the page, you see when you look on Donia get a blood clot promotion right now and I feel sure all the way.
I'm turn on Instagram so Donia every time.
Exactly. And then when you look on Alkaline, so Donia will have 7, 8. 6 or no 6.
Because you have to remember.
And then Alkaline get 2 post promotion. And then you see 6 more. And
people, boy, you know, more I have to listen to them Gaza people. That show you post on board, I think I like December. Seeing, brother, it's like some of the time I just laugh off on you know. I don't want to show them a forward up. People, great movement for I don't want to big up the artists. You understand? But people, the man do more than one shows. Promotion have to put out, brother. You understand? You can't watch what Donia do. Because somebody show them for Idonia in some smaller space. You understand? And that them not realize. Donia show fresh. So them are going to promote that. You see me? It's because Uno is a Gazman. Uno no see what go on. You see it? But me prepare for that day, yeah. Me prepare for that day. Me I tell the people, listen to them.
Then Alka get 2 more. I wonder.
She alone responsible to her. For doing that to her.
Right, she 100% responds with that. The Alkaline show is like a 50-50 thing. You see, Mr. Alkaline have a pull theme part too. So
no, but the part of me I get to know Mr. Gaza because we go for Alkaline page. I don't know me like Alkaline already. And when you go over Alkaline page, I go store, maybe one flyer I see with this thing. But him now advertise it.
You know them on the stay, so anything reaching.
Flag of them, do your work.
That's why I love Cartel now. Cartel not afraid for work. Cartel not afraid for show, promote. Cartel not afraid for
you feel like him alone about that show.
Somebody entertain we are promoting things.
Here I know. Based on how me know how them youth their role. People but here what him also a testing power, you know.
Yes, I most like film associate them in like circle like.
Him a testing power man. No man, know exactly what him do.
Yeah.
Pull it off.
Can you see what pull off this? him know which part him standing in a dancehall. Like really. So here we man, him a testing power say, I have to look at the you know, but me not show them yet.
Yeah.
I said my name and face alone can sell it
Pulling
first.
power right, see what?
Yeah, I think I have to do, yeah.
I think I do better. Me tell you.
Yo, them money a fool, you know. People, them are going like say I know Alkaline a pull crowd, bro. Them money a see. People, the man them a move be a goal post. The man them, brother, Alkaline don't promote show up on Fame actual Instagram page, brother. Him have page like Alkaline Daily, all of them different YouTube page where promote him thing that. You understand? You see people, them always a compare with Cartel a do with Alkaline. Them always a do that. So show Cartel we talk about him show and post up him show and all of them little thing there. Them expect say, oh, Alkaline fi do it too. Bro, one artist I do, no artist I do, dog. Stop watch what Alkaline I do with full no artists. You see me? Cause I'm glad son even pull up his show, you know. I'm glad. Because, trust me, we not go like when you see the rest of the video them.
You want to wear him there. You know?
But
I think that is stupid though.
It's bad for business, but hear what? I hear them say, what are the weirdest thing? Last day, everybody buy a ticket. I say, top chat fuck ya.
No, you know what happened last year? You know what happened last year when time it not sell out and they want the place look nice? Then go up on, maybe not for telling now. Anyway, then go up on our website. Then go up on our website, go sign up where you go sign up for be front row people and seat fillers. And you basically end up here.
I know you go, man.
Yes, and them go sign up for though.
Yo, them people are lie, you freak. The man them say you have a website if you go up on front tour. Not do that. That what happened to Cartel show. Where the $2.9 something pound. I think when him in I want a UK show them when Ticketmaster have sale. And them a try full the front of the stage. Not do that. Not do that. That not do Alkaline and CJ Milan do the show. New rules. And reggae face. Some no know what not talk about, bro. Una try and make up something right now. We didn't even make no sense. Cause you are gonna talk about CJ Milan say it. CJ Milan say, yo, the whole show them sold out. The day on the show or the day before. You understand? But people, I'm glad say them bring up that. Remember, you know, they must say, yo, we are say the show are sold out on the day. But look at now, listen what I go on.
So nobody now wait till the last minute for buying a ticket.
If this pays so by the end of the month, yeah.
I feel like nobody now go wait last minute for buy the ticket if it's in demand. You understand what I mean? Like, if it's something you can't wait. Right now, I'm going to tell you the truth. I already signed up.
People, you hear what them just say? Wait, let me make sure pull it up back, because I don't want to listen what I go on.
I feel like nobody now go wait last minute for buy the ticket if it's in demand. You understand what I mean? Like,
so, she say, she feel like nobody now go wait for buy no last minute ticket if it's in demand. Remember what she say now, people. Remember.
If it's something you can't wait. Right now, I'm going to tell you the truth.
I
already signed up. The dancehall. Yes, man.
You know, I'm going to show you what a difference. That's what I say. At the whole dancehall we are dealing with, I want him show sell off. See, we look at YouTube rivalry aside. I want him show sell off because it's good for everybody. See, no, watch
I agree.
But differently still, I'm still have a different part. Them can't wish bad for.
So wait there. You say you want the show sell off because it's good for everybody. But when Cartel show sell off, it only good for him. You see honesty, dog? You see how honesty? Because people, the reason why I say that, you know, him knows the Alkaline show go sold out. So that's why I talk like that. Kind of want to say it now go sold out, and when him look him say sold out there, you know. That's why he hear talk, so.
We now wish about for you.
Facts.
No. With me I say, I just me not tell him how to live or way for do. But at the end of the day, feel like him to show the people him know who are going there. Because let me tell you this. Nobody on spring break want to be inside.
New York.
It's not New York. Yes. So everybody just stays on us. In a cold now. You see when it hit that spring break, the outer road for him, if you are
people, I be a man is there. People, the man I say Alkaline need to put somebody, him need to call out somebody, like add somebody to the show. People, let me tell you them people. You see if Alkaline put somebody, you know what them are gonna say? Them are gonna say, no, him alone pull it. Why? So when Cartel had the Barclays, Cartel did add anybody to him show? No him face alone. So how now when Alkaline face, they on the flyer alone, now not tell him say, not talk say yo, if you add somebody to the show. So cartel for put up fee face alone, but Alkaline enough to do it for add to the show. You know, son, a hypocrite dog.
This way you see on the screen right now, Antaraj, big man, big mojo. You see on the screen now.
Yeah.
It should have in a better place than that. Me not lie. From December that they pan sale, from the 9th to the 10th of December, all right, let me tell you all me know say something.
People, the man say it should the ticket them should have look better. Remember, you know, people.
Oh, you know why me did
See? Remember, you know. This is like a month away. March the 21st. You understand? March the 21st. A month away. See? And them money are prep up for ticket. But look at now, people. I'm going to play 2 clips. Right? The first one, with me, I explain. When I go see Alkaline ticket on the left and cartel ticket on the right, which is the Barclays show last year for Labor Day. I think at the 29, right? The thing that you see on the right, the ticket, the bag of blue, right? That was the day, the 28th. People, me prepare for that day. The 28th, that is the image me take from my computer screen. See? And you see the next one to the left, that are Alkaline, a month away, you know. And cartel one, the day before the show. So una go see it on the screen, people. This are not capping. Me prepare for that day because me know them stay. Me know how them stay, people. And then the second one now, I one of them vlogger, one of Gaza vlogger them, when him pull up the show them. And him go explain. You go hear everything, people. You understand? So just tune into the video. You see me? Yeah, man. So this is a girl, right? She did go cartel show last year. Seeing? Alright. She go Alkaline show, you know. You see me? But what traumatized her, she go tell you in the video. You understand? So she's a person where she live on TikTok, I think, and she is like, she announced everybody ticket, all international artists and them thing there. You see me? She not really Alkaline fan, but she go Alkaline show because it's a girl with support every show. You understand? So I want to know, listen keenly, people. Listen keenly.
A lot of tickets. I told you, I'm not buying tickets until either the day of or a few days before. There's still a lot of tickets left. Tickets I was looking at that started at like 500 and change are now 434. I will definitely be there by all means. I know I'm still traumatized from that last concert they had for Vibes Cartel that weekend, and the $1,000 ticket dropped down to $230. Absolutely not. So, did y'all buy y'all tickets yet? Are y'all going?
So people, so no see said a huge gap there. The same show I'm telling so remember, you know. When now watch a video, seeing? When you now watch a video, when you just look on the right a cartel show. Seeing on the left. Cause look at now, you hear what she tell you a while ago say? The day before cartel show, the ticket dropped from 1,000 to 230. That's like 70% decrease a ticket value. I think a 77%. So from $1,000 to 230 for sure, you say the ticket never sell. If it dropped from $1,000 to 250, you know the ticket never did a sell. You should have talked about the Labor Day ticket last year because I have all of the filing people. But tune in to the next video because remember what she said a while ago? She said, yo, she a wait till near to the show. Cause remember, you know, them say a while ago say, yo, nobody now go wait in the last moment to buy no ticket. Hear this girl I tell you. You understand? Cause she go through a trauma with cartel ticket last year. After she go buy $1,000 ticket and when she check it near the party at $230, she see. You understand? So she nah make that mistake there again. She wait till it close to the party. That's fine. I just show business. Some people just wait for the moment because you know the tax and all of them little thing there. You understand? So look at now. Tune into the next video. We're gonna explain everything, people. We want you to just listen keenly. You understand? A man spends him not go US for about 20 years. 13 years in a prison during that time, right?
Yep.
First show, Barclays. Back to back. Remember, you know, big promotion going before the show up and all of the what you call it, the radio station them like
big promotion going.
All of the something towards the show, right? Big promotion. Yep. Seen? 2 show back to back. All right. Seen? The Barclays. More you pull up the picture. More the one with the day before the Barclays, 3rd show. All right. Because the reason why I do them here is because I feel that day was the 3rd show for Barclays. People, this was a day before the show. A man will just fought from prison. Seeing the high demand what them say. So 3rd show. Remember, you know, Alka do Barclays last year. Remember, say Alka been outside for 13 years, right?
Yep.
Deal. You can pull up. Look, people, look on this, you know. This are the day. Me prepare for that day, you know. Look on this. This is the day before the third show. This are Labor. I think a Labor Day weekend, right? Deal. Pull up Alkaline. But this was what? The day before the third show, right? Pull up Alkaline.
Which one?
On the 21st. More show me how it look. I want to compare them to ya. And how much days we have left? 31 days?
No. Yeah, 30 a month. Yeah, a month.
A month, right? This was the day before, you know, for them third show. Because the reason why I'm gonna do this is because I see in Barclays. So pull it up deal. Because Alkaline, they are road for years. Right? And pull up Alkaline Barclays now.
Bro, you're gonna see what's going on, what Media Fox is trying to say. Comparison with these Gaza fans are doing.
I never want to do this, you know, bro. I hear them on the live over there, you know. But just a laugh.
So you can never call in and do it.
Go live.
Should I call in and do it?
No, me not go argue with them. Because I know where to go. You're not worse than one day they panic. Me not have time to trace with Sissy dog. But me just did a wait on the day. You know how long me a wait, people? You know how long me a wait? Because remember this, you know, Cartel in the game for about 3 decades now. Alkaline gone 13 years. Cartel spent so much years in a prison. And now go US for 20 years, right? And this is third show in Barclays. Where Dale go pull up next. And this is Alkaline. Remember Alkaline, they are road, you know, people. A road Alkaline there, you know. See? And look on Alkaline show. This is the second time Alkaline are going at Barclays. For your youth, we just gone 13 years in him career. Right? So you know, it's a Cartel demand and the third show. Wait till Dale pull it up.
The one to the hold on, I'll have this side. The one to the right is Vibes Cartel. The one to the left is Alkaline. When I see, right?
People, boy, may I tell you. You know, see, Alkaline is a legend in our game, dog. But more want to look on that. Look at that. Look at that. This is day, the right one, at the day before the show, which is the Labor Day, because I think Theme keep on the 29th. This was the 28th. See? And look on Alkaline show. A month forward in. This is a month. Look at Alkaline show and look on Theme the day. This is the third show. Third show Theme in a Barclays. And look on the numbers the day before. Bro. When you go one side, bro. Body face. Look at that. I'm not run off with no mouth. Bro, when you go one side, bro. A lot of things are go forward, you know. The reason why me not even go pull up the rest of the show them. Me I just show you the simple difference between this. The man wanna say this highly and mighty. Right? When nobody not see him for 13 years, can black behind bars. And 20 years no go to US and Alkaline when live in a United States. Like fly. Run through New York, Florida, this, that I keep show for years. Right? Him alone I do this. Young generation, 13 years, him there. And look, pan film show up on the left. And look on Cartel show the day before the event. Brother, you go one side, dog. You see on the artist thing look away now. Eh? You don't see it.
Brother, man, yo, man, shameless bad man. The man, them not no shame, dog.
Shameful deal. This shameful, dog.
And you know, because them show happened last year, it's like them forget what happened and forget what them do like. Bro, when the show never sell like that, dog. All of a sudden now, we not try to put things on Alkaline. Remember, a man them say, yo, something wrong with the map, you know. You take it now yourself for Cartel show, you know. Remember, you know, JD Drake up, show them up.
I open my watch.
You must have watched, yes.
Can me prepare for that deal. Me prepare for that deal. Because look, you know, me know say Alkaline I go in at the Barclays one day after. So me say, all right, me I go clip this. The day and see it forward. Because I know them I go forward. Because they not no sense, you know. Them not no sense. Can you know why? Them don't know these things, people. It's because them not pulling up the numbers of the ticket. When for them show, then we pull up Alkaline show, you know. But nah, what it shows is Alkaline great. Because there's no way Cartel in the business years before Alka. Almost 2 decades before Alkaline. And Alkaline was in Barclays last. Remember, you know, Alkaline name been a call in Barclays last year, you know. And see the youth have him own new rules. See? And look on film on the left there, so. This is like a month away, people. A month away. and this a cartel third show up on the right. And I run off on the mouth, dog. You should have shame, brother. You should have shame.
Yo, these sheep don't know ass clad sheep. They want somebody conk on them head. Like I see them run around on the internet like them and sell tickets, you know, people. They're
Bro,
running.
they make sure clip everything. Everything, brother. Because you know why people don't see these things, people? It's because them hide these things from the people and to make it look like say, yo, cartel. All I hear them talk about sell a show in a 1 day. 1 day? And this are the day before show that looks sell after you?
And they were pussy clad Freedom Street where they are Jamaican and myself off. In a 1 day. And I hear that. Remember say man say when Freedom Street are keeping 100,000, I see them on 100,000 outside, you know. Remember man say that, you know. Which part that go on? And 100,000 I see them to pussy clad. 35,000 them say? Much that said?
Yeah.
35?
About 35, so.
Yeah, they. What am I trying trick?
Bro, the best for your youth. Remember, you know, Alkaline in a young generation, we have to do this alone, you know, bro. That's how me hear them money attack, bro. We don't have no sense. Alkaline alone, we not see Skilly do it, right? We not see Tommy Lee, we not see none of them man they do it, brother. None of them. All of the artists want to size up Alkaline with them not doing that. You understand? Not even Massacre. Massacre, they are US, him can't do this. Either them have to call him up on show, or them put him on show where artists are bigger than him. Or my show opener. You understand? And if you not go talk about price, come here now bring up price, right? But on that, you know, if you look pan, you know, if you look pan, say, imagine when an artist spend imagine when an artist spend 13 years in a prison and Alkaline gone 13 years in a career, and look what Alkaline show a do, right? You no matter the price, you know. Look what Alkaline show a do. Remember in our 13 years of career we are talking about, you know, we cartel in the game for so long, you know, brother. Remember say nobody now do it. Otherwise some Alkaline in a young generation we are talking about. And when I say the youth not great, is what? It's because the hype and the endorsement not their own Alkaline, like how with cartel. The youth great. Because look, you know, well promoted, well endorsed. And the youth are do it without all of that. You should have shame for even bring up Alkaline show, brother. Because we never did have to do this. We know everything long time. You understand? But we are use the same thing we want to use to make it look like the Alka ticket now sell. We are use but that same show there. Come in and go talk about the Baltimore and the others I show them. We are going to use where Uno use, the Barclays. You saw if Uno one pretty with blue, look on Alkaline one. I just want to look at rice, green drop. Buy show for forward when that fans are roll out.
Brother, you know, say man them some pussy dog, you man them know say yo. The show got the wife. But the man them try say yo Alkaline be sell out show in a 1 week, 1 month. And Alkaline not trouble. When we show the man them say the man them a ball, find them live, say this no look good. How much multiple shows the man them a cry. So when the man them out here campaign for Alkaline New Rules, I'm just laughing to them. Because me just say March 21st, we so forward, man. We go there see him you do normally. We know like
you see deal, you see what I go on, right? But you see say when him go do a show, everybody promote it, right?
Yep.
But with Alka now, but look at Alka ticket them and look on film. And nobody talk people. One girl come out. You see the same show?
Which one?
Right? Remember, we have all CV played. Remember the girl said the ticket was $1,000 she pay for the ticket. And the day
oh, me know the girl.
The show, it dropped to $230.
Me know the girl we talk.
You saw how far gap that is? From $1,000 to $230.
I think going back at 200.
All right, no deal. Look how we have pull investigation go on now, you know. So if it dropped to $230, right? What that evidence show you say what with the ticket?
Him never say last day ticket.
Okay, look on the show. Look on it here right now and look on the show and see you no lie me I tell.
Last year ticket paper. Him never say like that.
It never was selling. If it dropped from $1,000 to $230, it show you say it's really not selling because the percentage is a high percentage of decrease.
And the thing is, you know, bro, what them do with Vibes Cartel show for because the cute thing with them use, somebody is using a bad thing because they must say, yo, cartel na high demand, so then go try to find out if you sell a ticket, them or buy a ticket and you know tricky crowd say your ticket sell fast. The people say, John, I can't get no ticket for the show. So I make the people buy their ticket and people say, you don't catch me again, you know. So what happened? I did a Vibes Cartel show, $200 same ticket for $1,000, $200. The people are wait last minute. That's why Vibes Cartel ticket them cost. Inflate ticket them. They are the show, ticket them are like $100, $200, a cartel thing. Clad. So nobody now, like if Vibes Cartel announce a Barclays show right now, I go say the same thing. They might go see one night time. So make it, that's why the Gaza fans never continue talking.
Yeah, man, continue talk, man. Cause them
This is Vibes Cartel show 3 days before. 3 days before. This is a map. Brother, we have all our files, brother. And we have to pull them to Bumbleclot. You see me check the WhatsApp on night time, the media facts. Hold on them in general. Hold on, checking the WhatsApp right now. You see me? This is the day of the Baltimore show. July 25, 26. Bumbleclot, Deep Blue Sea. Like a ocean this the rascal. Eh? Ocean this the rascal. But watch that. 3 days before show. You the Gaza man them.
it's been this way for quite some time.
Yeah, you know.
You know what I mean? But there are at least 3 Vibes Cartel shows. As we say, if the particular show that we're looking like this, where you see it going in reverse instead of go forward, and the show them still end up where
Wait, you say show? Why you say show though?
the shows. As we say, if the particular show that we're looking like this, where you see it going in reverse instead of go forward, and
You say show go reverse instead of go forward. I mean go reverse.
the show them still end up work out in a long run. There's another site where I have we can check on and that me I go check on the site there and count from this. All right. Okay, all right, people. So the other Reggae Fest show, it will show up on the news, the other site, you know. So it's on the other site, you know. So we can I wonder if we start count yet. I'll check it on thing there. So yeah, me go do a rough check behind the scenes and see something because something off though. No joke, something is off. But hold on, give me a second, the people. I'm gonna go to the remember go to the August 30th show. Hold on there. People, if you not talk to me in the comment section, I'm not answer because me.
People, something is off. Something is off with Vibes Cartel show. Eh? They look like the Antarctic waters crystal blue to rascal.
I run through that thing so I might not pay attention.
I'm gonna check people and quote the numbers that we know what.
Pop most 500. All right.
So something off with Vibes Cartel show, but I'm come talk about for show in 2026. Like we forget what them do.
Huh?
Oh.
I had a diss track they got for you. Who have a diss track for me? Who have a diss track for me? Somebody have time on the hands. Hold on. This is the August 30th show. If you notice, no much changes from the first day. You go count it on the other thing. Don't really think this is right.
Look on this. Yo, this is next month show in the paper. The next month show, you know. This is like July 23. And the next is a show will keep August 30. It's one of them, you know. It's like August 30. And look there. Deep Blue Sea, Rich Boy Big Up Yourself. None of cartel shows was sold out until the day of the show. Exactly. You know what? They might try to put something on Alkaline.
Yes, but me see what I'm going. Me go fix it. Give me a second.
Fix things.
And this is right. Something is off. Very off. But what are the people? Let me see what I'm going with this. So me have 34. This won't take long.
Yeah, man, something is off when it comes to Alkaline Vibes Cartel show. But when it comes to Alkaline show, nothing, yeah, man, it might go fail. It no look good. Deep Blue Sea. Don't worry, dear, I will work out. I go fix something. Eh? Make sure you download that before them delete it. That's glad. All right.